check. Nakapusod yung buhok ko eh. Para pagtanggal ko, kulot na. Doon sa labas. Ay, hindi pa pala lumabas. Let's go. Punta muna kami yung Dunox. Yes. Punta muna kami Seaway. Tingin kami ng t-shirt niya. Dito na kami. Hindi ko mulot yung buhok. Mga madaming tao. Sasakyan sa likod.
And then here's and over to 2 p.m. At our field,
$15.
cafe, food truck, animals.
This is $5 on the website.
They included. So, my bad, I'm not. Until 8 p.m. You can take pictures of
So just the two mission.
Yeah, large is 25.
Card.
You can tap or
And
insert whatever.
nothing added, no added sugar.
Is it different from a website?
How much is the honey?
You book it or?
No, it's the same price. And then I do have a picture of the map. I do have a picture of the map if you want to take a picture of it. It's just a map of the farm. Basically shows where everything is and what we have to offer.
So one medium honey, $15. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, perfect. You guys are good to go in.
Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
That one's $9. The other one's $4.
Nakalagay sa website nila it's $5. Dami oh. Wow! Hanggang dun? Grabe! That's so cool. Ang init lang, grabe. Wow! Dami naman. Pagkabayad nyo, meron kayong ganito.
Ayun, bubu yun. Careful.
We are surrounded by sunflowers. Ooh.
Hello. Yan kasama. Hello.
يمكن لازم في شيء حلو.
ليش لا بيعملوا لك عشان تدخل الناس.
tayo sa may animals.
Itong mataas.
Dapat ka dapat. Wala.
Init!
Hot.
Ayun, wala na araw.
Pero na rin. Uwi na tayo.
Yun tayo.
Sabi na ng shoes ko eh.
After, lipat ka niyan ka kasi maglakad. Oo. Sinlaki ko yung sunflower. Nakatalikod sila lahat sa araw. Ang galing. Bali sa sunrise sila nakaharap. Ito ako sa loob ng
Flower field to sunflower field, cafe.
Hindi nakita yung flowers. Oh wow, meron din palang ganun. Tato there, oh. Picture tayo dun. Picture tayo dun. Para kita yung buong field. Ano kaya meron dyan? What's that?
Picture na kita dyan.
Sige. Stop tayong dalawa.
The sun don't shine, there's a mine shaft dealer. That's where days
Thank you. Thank you.
Murphy when he used to work at Tim Hortons. And there's some fall thing for the pasture. And he's like, you want the straw? Like, it's like this.
S'more station. Hindi. Trip. Ay. So here. Magbiya ka na ng ano. Ang tag dun? Ano, ganun. Ang tag dyan, tata? Yes. Go to the goat. Chicken. Where's the goat? Saan na yun? Meh. 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 Mr. Goat. Ay, Where are you, Mr. Goat? Ginong pusa. Palain. Papalamig yata siya. Isa lang. Ayun pa. Chicken ba yun? Goatie. Goatie. It's pink. Maybe it's what do you call that? Gender reveal? Because it's pink. Oh yeah! Look, they have blue and pink balloons.
May pulbo.
Oo nga eh. Pupunta kami sa pond. Yung sapatos ko naging gray. Meron pa dun mga sunflowers. Medyo maliliit naman dito. Ang dami, ganda talaga sa mga ayun. May bunga na ba yan? Dapat pwede rin din. Kung ayaw mo na sunflower, corn na lang. Silaga natin.
Ang pandiran, dumi.
Oo nga, may yero yata. Ay, kahoy. May bathtub dun, oh. Ito, laki, oh. Pwede ba yung kunin? Pwede na ilaga to. Bango. Ang bango, may mais. I know. Ganda siya dito. Ito na kami. Ay, ako lang pala. Papalamig. Grabe, hanggang kasulok-sulukan boys. Pwede pa naman ito.
Ano may bilang dito?
Turale, turale.
Tato, search ka nga. Saan kami husband?
Dito na kami sa Lang Hot Pot and Barbecue. Kakain muna kami dinner. Bango. Ay, ba't ito nakatok? Hi. Part 2.
How are you folks doing today?
Pretty good. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. Are we doing barbecue or hot pot today?
What do you hot pot? How much is it per person?
So for hot pot, based on the menu, it's either going to be $33.99 or $38.99. I can show you the differences between the menus.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah, for sure. So this is our menu A. It's got all of your essentials: chicken, beef, pork, some shrimp, fish, and then on menu B, the only differences with this one are the lamb the pork blood, Chinese red sausage, pork liver, ox tongue, octopus salmon mussels. If I said those things and you're not really interested, I would say save yourself.
Yeah, we'll do the menu B.
Menu B, you got it.
With the salmon.
Which one do you want?
The salmon.
Some. There's pork blood too.
Have you folks done hot pot before?
So yeah,
Yes.
kind of.
Okay. I can give you a quick rundown of the broth menu as well if you want to
sure.
follow me. Right there, okay?
Okay, Tata.
Okay, so this is our broth menu here. So since we're all you can eat, doesn't matter if you want to do a single pot or a dual pot because we charge per person. If you want to do 2 singles, a single and a double, it's totally up to you. For the dual pot, we just bring out a bigger pot, we split it down the middle. We do 1 flavor on this side, 1 flavor on the other. Let's say you want to do chicken on one side and beef on the other, we just check both of these boxes. The plain one is free. The spicy tom yum, lang herbs, sweet and sour, and spicy Mongolian are all going to be $2 each. If you do choose a spicy option, just make sure you tell us which spice level you'd like, okay?
Okay.
All right, folks, I'll be back with some waffles.
Excellent. Thank you.
May fruits din. Sabi. Yata. Hindi vegetable ako. This one of mushroom. Corn. Can we get corn? Yes, please. Mga tatlo. Sa akin tatlo. Pwede.
Thank you.
Thank you. Should I put the card? Done. Kinuha na. Honeycomb cake wala nakalagay. Sobrang busog.
Yeah, you can just pay.
Oh, gotcha.
Ganda oh. Sa harap ng ano, store. Ay. Thank you. Sweet naman. Nasusubo ng candy. Grabe yung busog ko. May libreng candy.